create free or unlimited AI videos. So if you want to create free unlimited AI videos, then first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After having the internet connection, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Hailuo AI, and here you will have www.hailuoai. So you need to click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to the website. Now, once you're on your website, if you want to create free or unlimited AI videos, then you need to have a subscription. So as you can see that you will have all of these options. So if you go with the free, then you'll only have bonus credit for daily login and up to 3 tasks in a queue. And if you go with the standard one, then you will have monthly credit. You can remove watermarks. You can process 2 tasks simultaneously. You'll have up to 5 tasks in a queue. You'll have a lot of the options. And with the pro version, you'll have more deals. And with the unlimited version, you'll be able to create unlimited credits per month. So if you want unlimited AI videos, or if you want to create unlimited AI videos, then you need to go with the unlimited plan. But if you are okay with your free plan, then you'll only have 3 tasks in a queue. So you can go with create, which will be on the top right. And from here, you need to either go with image to video or text to video or subject reference. So I'll go with image to video. And here you need to drag or paste or click to upload an image, or you can also go with text to video. So you need to enter some text. Once you're done with your text, now you just need simply go with the bottom right, click on create, and it will start generating. So just wait for a few seconds. So it might take a few minutes. Now once it's completed, as you can see that I have a video right here. So that's how you can create free AI videos. Now you can also go with the create again, or you can also go with image to video, text to video, or anything like that. Just remove this text and add another text and go with generate, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.